I'm going to be showing you the 3 ways to create a school app. You'll learn 3 things. Number 1, the tech I would use. Number 2, the features of these different platforms. And number 3, which one I would choose. The 3 platforms I would use would be Softr, Podia, or Classroom from Google. Let's take a look at the features. For Softr, I would go to use cases, and for here, I would actually look at the online communities. This is really important to keep in mind as we're going through these 3 options. There are so many different types of situations that you might need to create a school app. So I would first write down or put in the comment section what kind of functionality or features you need to run your school. Is it completely online? Are you doing it as a hybrid? What do you need to do? Do you need to issue certificates? Do you need to be grading assignments, have quizzes, all of those things? That really allows you to pick the right kind of platform for you. For Softr, I can have a members only community where I can have people sign in and also get access to the curated resources that I want to choose. I could also add videos, maybe if I wanted to have YouTube videos and have them unlisted. I could also embed them into something like this. That's an option. If I'm going to Podia, this allows me to build out courses depending on how I want it. I can have different modules, I can have different sections, all of those things. It depends on how I want to structure it. But Podia, it is built for courses. It's built for schools. If you choose to structure it like this. Another option is Podia comes with quizzes that you can have embedded into the different lessons, and you can issue certificates as well. Looking at Classroom from Google, we saw a huge spike in people using this, especially the school system with the pandemic. This could be an option for you. It depends on the exact thing that you're looking for. For example, once I log in, I can join a class, but I can create a class and I can decide to structure the subject, the room, all of those things. I can add a lot of things to this. And one of the benefits of Google Classroom is it's free. I can get started for free. Again, depends on what you're looking for, what you need the functionality to be. But Google Classroom has come a long way. And now that they have assignments, another add-on for the suite for education, that's something to take a look at with Google. Google just has so many different products. I don't think they promote them enough, but this might be a sleeper hit depending on what you're looking for. And if you're deciding on just testing out your idea and you're not ready to pay for a platform such as Softr or Podia, Google Classroom might be a great solution for you. Now let's talk about number 3, which platform I would choose. And the winner is Podia. I would go with Podia because it allows me to do a couple different things. Number 1, if I need a CRM, a customer relationship management system, it already comes with that. If I want to have different bundles, have different courses, be able to have different types of automation, I can do that with Podia. Also, because I have a CRM system and I can do email campaigns, I can email students all without needing to Frankenstein other systems together. I can do this very easily, and I can also have certificates with my students, all of those things, and quizzes. I'm going to go with Podia. In the comment section down below, let me know which one you would choose or what you're working on and why. And if you like videos like this, make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. We do this every single week. Next up, we're going to be showing you how you can get started in planning out which platform you should use for your next project.